Okay, welcome guys to MindMelt. MindMelt is the most amazing course. You'll be able to write the 2 lakh or 8 lakh lines of code with your eye. Imagine with your eye. Okay, you'll be able to write 2 lakh lines of code. This session is being officially recorded by firstlookai.com slash mindmelt hyphen 10 point HTML. Okay, so anyways, as the session is being recorded, we need some entertainment also along with the mind melt courses. Okay, so anyways, I thought 10 minutes we have to turn it on. Anyways, I'm turning on Kiran, and this one, even if noise comes in, no problem. Kiran, how excited are you to learn mind melt, and what do you think it is first? What do you think mind melt is? Okay, awesome. Do you know that there is something called Jarvis operating system you can create also with mind melt, Kiran? Okay, okay, Kiran. Okay. Okay, Kiran. Okay. So let me explain to you what is Jarvis. Hold on for a second. Okay. Now, what is Jarvis operating system? We'll come to that. So, MindMelt is the program of the year. Okay. This will drive away all programmers in the market. Okay. Typically, what it's going to do is you're going to create, softwares at the speed of light. So, what have you learned in 1.0? You're going to, write about 8 lakh lines of code automatically. It's going to write. So, you don't worry about writing in any. Turn off the music fast. Okay, turn on the music, and we're going to have automation of software development. We're going to have visual programming. Okay, please take down your notes. What is automation for software development? You know what? MindMeld what's going to do is you're not going to create just one software, right? The softwares will create a child software also on its own. So it's going to be a software that's going to create a child software that is going to in turn create software automation automatically, right? So that means one software, write down the diagram, one software, once just put one software, write a mind map. One software will give birth to two softwares. Please write down. One software will give birth to two softwares. Correct? Those two softwares will give birth to five softwares. Okay. So one will be the master software. You understood this? Master software. Then is going to be you call what do you want to call the middle softwares, Vindhya? What do you want? Huh? Sister software. Huh? OS is, oh my god, she's in some motion. Daughter software. Okay, fine. Daughter software, you call it. Okay. Okay, yeah, sure. So one mother software, daughter software, then son software. You call whatever you want like that. Okay, whatever. You understood, guys? So that's how it works. So you don't have to create each software. It will only create all the software to automation. But hold on, I'm not a coder. I know you're not a coder. Even if you're a coder, nobody will believe that it happens unless and until they see stuff happen. This is what I'm going to show you on day one. Okay. Then as you move on and create sister softwares, on day two, you will use drag and drop like something like bookmark how you used in 1.0. You'll be able to drag and drop elements to create a software itself. So something like Buildfire for softwares, if you remember what I'm talking about. A Buildfire for software development is going to be the works on day two. Right? And you're going to create functions, actions, and databases like this. See, that's a database creation. That's it. So this will drive away Oracle ka database, guys. I don't know what they're doing for 10 years. Okay, I'm not as you actually speaking about a brand, but you know what happens is there'll be a lot of SAP. You know, you understand, no? A lot of brands are there working on software. Maybe Dell, maybe IBM, Watson, right? Maybe whatever the top companies that are working on software. Wipro Homes is an AI thing coming up in the market. I don't know what they're going to do after this because day two will just be kind of a game changer for everything in the industry. Day three is going to be advanced work. This is going to be the software will have bugs. Obviously, they'll have bugs, right? So AI tool will automatically correct those bugs automatically. That is called debugging. What is debugging, guys? Debugging. Those softwares which you created will have bugs. Obviously, you need to test it, no? So testing in AI software will be like this. So you on the program put the software, connect the software to that, or connect the code to that. It will test out all the codes and figure out the errors and correct it automatically. That's all. Automation for correction is day three. Right on, guys. Next, day four. Your software is there, okay, fine. But you want to add voice recognition for the software. Then you'll create Alexa. Alexa itself you'll create. So Rahul's Alexa or Sonal's Alexa, her own Alexa, or Shamani's Alexa will be there. So those voice recognition capabilities will be added to that particular software. I hope everybody is listening. Kiran, are you there with me? Hold on. You're there? Good. You're able to hear me clearly. Anchal, you're there? Anchal? Okay, good. Okay. Hold on. Okay, guys. Okay, good. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. So you're going to add voice recognition to your particular software. And once you do that, you can do it in 1 minute. So typical Alexa created. So 10 years of Alexa work. I don't know what is that. Sorry. This is Alexa creation. Even hardware, I'll tell you where to get hardware in the market. If you want a software to fit into the hardware, be it a small spec remote or be it Jarvis. You can fit that software in. So be it something from a speck of dust to a big robot, you can do it. The software is similar, right, guys? When robot you need walking functions, you need dancing functions and all. I'll tell you how to activate those functions also. Yes, bro. You can create from remote to robot. For voice recognition, it is a free software. If you want a robot like Sophia, it is a paid software. So you understand? This is free. Hardware, anyways, you have to pay. Hardware can hardware. So software is free here. Right now, voice recognition software is free. Okay. Databases testing and all is not free. You understood what is happening? Database software to create the code, those are not free. But it will be somewhere around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for one time generation. You can generate that, and testing one time 1,000 2,000 rupees. You can test the code, entire code. You can do that. Until and unless if you want to hire programmers for 30,000 or 40,000, please don't do that. It'll be faster. Sorry about programmers, guys, but I'll help you also, guys, if you come to join the course. Okay, you can drive away your competitor programmers. That was day 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 5. We are going to use FTP with AI. So we are going to use FTP is file transfer protocol. So you'll have a lot of data there. You're going to have 50 GB or whatever data you're going to have, right? For that, you'll be able to. It's for enterprises using cloud. So we are going to create a cloud-based operating, protocol interface or something like that, and put those softwares in. Kind of a Google Drive. Google Drive itself you can create something, and you put the softwares in, stored in a cloud server, right? That you need. Kiran's day 6 coming up. Hold on. Kiran, day 6. Day 6 is going to be day 6. Jarvis. Yeah, Kiran, where are you? Yeah. Exactly, Kiran. Exactly. I'm putting in the chat box. So to write the code, write 8 lakh lines. Hold on. Why this one? 8 lakh lines of code is one software. Kiran, writing. You're writing. See my chat window. To test the code is another software. To add voice functionalities, it's a free software. You understood, Kiran? Is free software. Okay. Until is there, I think. Okay, fine. Okay. Cool. So understood, guys. That's how it is. Hold on. Why this chat window will close? Hold on. Okay, guys. Your battery is low. Somebody connect my chargers. Okay, hold on, Kiran. Battery is low. Suddenly it'll go off. Hold on. So what is damage? Okay, guys, you're there? Okay, good. Okay, so now what is Jarvis? Jarvis operating system. How does it look? Dude, Kiran, you can create an OS, but Jarvis, this is a Jarvis. Please, everyone, on your screen, Jarvis. So you will find an operating system like Jarvis. Wait, I have to get his reaction. So only I'm getting. Kiran, you're there? You're seeing Jarvis in front of me? Dude, this is not ordinary. You're looking at something extraordinary. Where are you? Jarvis, you understand what is Jarvis, right? What is Jarvis? You understand, right? This is a robotic artificial intelligence based operating system. Kiran, you understood, Binda? What is this? So you'll be creating a Jarvis. Okay, so you can name it. See, you can customize everything here, bro. Customize everything. So if you want to put this robot and put Bond car, this one, like say a guy with a gun, you can put it. No, not an issue. and it will only write the code, it will only create, bro. So no problem at all. Okay. And if you don't want Jarvis, we have one more normal operating system also, which is a blend of Windows plus Mac and a unique interface. So Vindhya can uninstall all her Windows and Mac and install Vindhya OS. Okay. Understood, Kiran? Okay, this is Jarvis, bro. Okay, next, let's move on. That is all wallpapers. That is Jarvis is an AI operator. You can operate with voice. You can do a lot of things. Okay. Oh my god, he understood now only. Till now you're not understanding, I think. Understood, guys? If you say wow only and figure out what you're doing. Dude, you see that Jarvis is Rajinikanth also poster, bro. Yeah. Superstar to the rescue. Touch, you should have touch functionality in the laptop. You can even use that. Now, laptop only touch should be there. You should have touch in your laptop. Then you can operate it with touch. Okay. Kiran, let all your dreams come true. Coming up next. Okay, now Jarvis you created, dude, but you need face movements to unlock, no? Dude, wait 1 minute, hold on. Let's stop this. Dude, now you have created Jarvis, Kiran, but you need something to unlock that Jarvis. Your face is your password. Okay, so with your face, you'll be able to unlock that system. With the eye movements, you'll be able to create the code. With your voice, you'll be able to control the system. Okay, wait. His reaction I didn't get, dude. Dude, you got what is my last dialogue? Exactly. With eyes, you create the code. No, with face, you open the computer, bro. Eyes, you create the code. With voice, you can handle your applications. How is it? Yes, no need of mouse. You know, somewhere gutter will be there. Throw that mouse. Okay, dude. Okay. And some secrets which I have created an operating system. I haven't shown it because there is a watermark there in the operating system. That's why I have not shown the operating system. But I show it to you only on day 7. But this is you only create operating system. Show it to others. Then you understood? Yeah, day 6. Kiran, you understood? Okay. Next. Yeah, bro. Day 8. Okay, day 8. So now that operating system can be operated through 2 methods. One is cloud. Cloud you will operate it with 128 GB RAM. So you need internet to have the operating system work. But hold on. Even Apple TV is operating with internet. Without internet, nothing will work. You see this box? Apple TV is operating with internet. Correct? Alexa is operating with internet. Correct, Kiran? Without internet, world will not work. Don't worry. So you can't make it offline. Definitely. You can't do that. But you can have internet connection and have 128 GB RAM on that operating system. And you can even do a hardware like Apple TV. You can call it Jarvis hardware. See, Jarvis may be a copyrighted name. So don't keep that name. What is your name of the operating system, guys? Sparka. What is that? Sparka. Not Spark, dude. He said something. I forgot that name. Okay, anyways. Lotus, something you said. Okay, anyways. Okay. So that name you can call your operating system. Okay. Fireball is a good name. Okay, anyways, keep that in mind. You can keep it as version names. You understood, guys? 1 minute. I'll just stop this. Okay, now you understood. So that's how you can create an operating system and operate with 128 GB RAM. Next is the OS launch on day 9. OS will launch. So you can now what happens is, guys, that operating system is there. You can install it as a cloud operating system in your Windows or Mac also. So that operating system can be a separate operating system, or it can be an operating system that you can install in your Mac or Windows also. That means you can run Mac. It'll be like a DMG. You understood, Vidya? It'll be like an exe file. You can install that operating system anywhere. On Mac also or Windows, otherwise you can make a separate. That's up to you. Or you want to make a hardware like Apple TV and have that option. That's up to you. I'll guide you. So in Windows you'll get an exe file. Install that. Entire Windows will change to your operating. You can uninstall that like a control panel ka program. Understood, Rahul? You can uninstall, not Windows here. Only understood what I was saying. Can you tell? That is one. So write down, guys, what all you can do. So the number one I'm going to write down is, please see it guys. First point, wait Kiran, wait. The first point is, you will create an operating system. Understanding Kiran? You will create an operating system and have it as standalone exe. Please write down everyone. Create an operating system and have it as standalone exe. Second, yeah, you are able to hear me, Kiran? Kiran? Yeah, Kiran. Yeah, Kiran. Yes, bro. IBM Watson also can be created. Write down. Even IBM Watson. Yes, 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 yes. 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 Dude, it can write 8 lakh lines of code. Understanding, Kiran? Any software. Any clone. Live your life. Okay. So where was I? Go back, go back. You understood first one, standalone. Second one is what? Tell me second one. Create a separate OS. Create a separate OS. And what? I forgot that. What is the second one? And installing full OS and deleting Windows or whatever. You understood? Or Mac OS. You understood? Second option. You understood, Kiran? What is the second option? Third option. What is the third option? Create a hardware device with that OS. That's the third option. You are writing down, Kiran, everything, guys. Create a hardware device like Apple TV. You understood? OS, Bond TV, or Bond OS. Tell me, bro. Tell me. Kiran. Yeah. So you are not creating Windows. Okay. You are creating Jarvis, which is open source. Jarvis OS is open source. I know where it is. Yeah. Understood? Jarvis OS has the code. You know what? AI itself has written the code. Remember my redirect URL. Who remembers my redirect URL? Redirect URL, you remember? Redirect any site to any site. Like that, AI has written 7 lakh lines of code. How to write? Not 7 lakh. 7 lakh. Because AI only has written, no, bro. AI has written. You understand? Jarvis, Bond OS. Okay, good. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Next, guys. Okay. Dude, now okay, 128 GB RAM you got. Now, Vindhya will ask next question. Okay, sir, what I'll do with the OS? Just telling, no. You can create an app store for that OS. App store. Imagine you're Tim Cook. What do you do with Apple? App store. Have developers come in. Correct? Have developers join. Let them create apps. You understood? What is he saying? Dude, Anchal, this is Anchal OS. Everything is fresh OS. You have to create your own empire. Windows applications will not run. This is a new OS. But if you have a side, I told the first one, no, side load with Windows. Exactly, he is genius, yeah. So you have to tie up. That is Kiran's idea. Tie up with companies who produce apps or software like MS Office. You understood, guys? Norton. What else? What else? What else you need? What else you need? What else you need? Norton. Okay. Then what are the other software? Not 10 or not 10? Not 10 na. 10 na. Kiran. Exactly. Now I'll be telling you two things, Kiran. You can make the OS paid or OS free. Free with in-app purchase. Write down everyone. Vinaya, OS is paid or OS is free with in-app purchase. What is this, Kiran? OS free with in-app means what here? What do I mean by that? Tell me that. At super, super. So you will get commission. So you will get commission for every app sold. From developer also will get. Developer also will get. But you will get more. Understood? That you decide the commission later. Okay. Next, browser you have to create. Browser, bro. AI browser. We'll do a 3D browser because you have taken AU, right? Alternate universe. Let's create a 3D browser or 3D mall inside that OS. Also, we can do it. So, two things. Whether you want to do a virtual OS, Jarvis, or you want to do a AI OS. There are two things different. I'll tell you what. Virtual OS means is 3D OS. Please write down. Somebody, one of them take initiative to do 3D OS. Some of them take initiative to do AI OS, or you can do all virtual 3D also if you want. All three can do that. You have to decide. Can do one OS. You understood, guys? So you decide whether you want to create Vindhya OS, Kiran OS, Srinidhi OS. Others you want to create, all three can create the OS. That you decide. That's up to you. But I'll tell you the strategy. Okay. So otherwise you can have one virtual 3D OS for one person. You can have different OS for another person. Okay. You can make changes in the OS. Customizable. Yes. Customizable you do. Okay. Done. Next. You understood, Vindhya? Customizable for you. Okay. Whatever. Next is freelancing ideas. Now you have the OS ready, guys. OS is ready. Where to earn? How to earn? What to earn? When to earn? All that stuff. Something happened there. You'll be telling that. Okay, I'll be telling that. Now, where you will launch your OS? Where? Which marketplace? Understood, Anchal? Or you will launch it in some hotel? I don't know. That you decide. That you decide. You want to launch with a news agency? News agency? I don't know. That you decide, Kiran. Okay? So launch is the main. So once you have the OS, you can create. But launch. TV, you have to spend so much of money, no? Why spend so much? Yeah, you can create a landing page for OS and drive traffic there. You can use Unbounce, landing page creator. All that I'll tell you. Okay. And how you'll invite your contact form. You can send OS to everyone in the planet. Correct, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Growth hacking. What you said? I didn't get it. Somebody messaged me. What you said, Kiran? What he said? What he said? Oh, super, dude. Super. Redirect hack. Redirect hack. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, I understood. Microsoft, somebody goes, no. You say download Windows for free. And Jarvis will come, everybody will download Jarvis. You understood what I'm saying? A good idea, Kiran. Good idea. Next is, guys, I'll teach you BlueStacks.
If somebody visit Apple, it should redirect to this one.
Good. Okay, understood. Guys, guys, last one is BlueStacks. BlueStacks. So I'll be telling you how you can install the OS and turn it into an app. What's the name? India. OS will become app also. What will become, Kiran? Into mobile OS. Super, dude. It's genius, Kiran. Nobody has done this. Nobody has done this.
Super, sir. I want to
Yeah. Dude, next is not Android. Next is not iOS. Okay. Next is Spark OS. Spark OS. Parla, you saying Parla. Vindhya OS. Okay, keep that. Okay, dude. Parla. Go for it, yaar. Go for it. Chalo OS. Okay, done. So that was about Mind Melt. Okay, this is just a demo, guys. That means this is only a teaser. Not even teaser. This is motion poster. Next is teaser. Next is trailer. Next is actual film. Film will be started. Dialogue. See, dude, what you saw was motion poster. Okay. On Monday, movie first scene. Understood. That is a dialogue. Okay, ready. Okay, Kiran. So that was officially Mind Melt ka demo. I don't want to reveal more stuff here in the demo. So that is only the demo here. Demo I have covered 0.00000000001% of Mind Melt. So let's see what I can cover in the first. Okay. So now, what's his name? Kiran, how do you feel about it? What do you want to do after Mind Melt? What do you want to do? Tell me about that. Next I'll ask Vindhya. Okay. Tell me, Kiran. Super. Okay. One idea also you'll not reveal. One idea. No. Okay, good. Vindhya. Okay, Kiran. Vindhya. Correct. Exactly. Wow. Yes. Dude, I have an idea, as Vindhya said. So I'll teach you two things. One is make it into an app. Unreach. See, guys, don't miss this. Unreach, iOS, and what? Google Play Market, Play Store Market. Okay. Second is wait. Listen. Second is make a separate company named Pearl or something, and you can tie up with mobile phone manufacturer. I don't know. I'm just saying manufacturing people and start a new Apple. You understood, guys? With devices installed with Jarvis OS, AI OS. You understood, guys? So you will play Steve Jobs there. So you want to be Steve Jobs or you want to be app developer? You have to decide.
I want to be fun.
Okay, great. Now, yeah, Vindhya, you're saying something. I didn't listen fully. I'm a coder. Dude, I don't know ABC of coding, guys.
Approximately how long will this?
Dude, as you complete your classes, right? You practice when I teach you OS, how will write the code, everything. You practice here also, practice there also. If you want to understand, stay here and practice. Or you decide, Kiran and whatever you decide. And then once after that, by the end of this, you should have OS ready for the certificate and assignment. OS should be ready. Project is OS itself. Project is, he missed it. He missed two things. What did he miss, Vindhya? What did he miss? Steve Jobs.
So basically, we can make this OS into an app. and sell it on App Store. And
Or I give you second one.
you
Or
can tie up with a manufacturing mobile. Create your own Google or OS. Create your own
iOS.
iOS and Apple.
There you will play Steve Jobs or app developer. That's up to you.
Android developer.
Understood? Rahul missed it, I think. So what I'm saying is, guys, you want to play Steve Jobs, you just create the OS, tie up with manufacturing phone company, install OS default to the phone. That's up to you. Or you want to just make an app in Play Store or this. That's up to you, Kiran. Okay. Super. Dude, how would you compare MindMelt with 1.0 now, Kiran? Kiran. Super, dude. Seriously, yeah, okay. So, and the last that I told, BlueStacks, how it do. Okay, that is that OS conversion. I'll tell you. PhD, yeah. For me, okay. Kiran, don't worry, yeah. You'll do it. You'll do amazing stuff also. Yeah, Vindhya had a doubt. We'll hold on for doubts. What is the doubt?
How do I insert
Exactly, the apps on the OS, if developer you tie up, each app you'll get commission. Like how? Tell me how Apple is earning from the app store. Tell me, Kiran. Tell me. Tell your dream. Tell your dream fast. Fast, you tell, yaar.
Not to release the new OS and nothing. Okay, my dream is while I sleep also, money should come to my bank account. That is my dream.
Okay. Okay, I respect it.
That
Yeah.
I can achieve through any now line company.
You can still achieve it. You through 1 point also you can achieve it. Yeah.
While I sleep also, account can money should come to my bank account.
Okay. Dude, you got that project he got. Project he was saying he got some project, I think. I don't know. He was saying. Other ways. Guys, ads. So some company, browser, if you're creating first, you can put an ad for Dell. Banner ads. Dude, this is browser ads. Dude, you're understanding browser only you own. Then what ad? You understood. Oh, and then you will learn from upgrades. Write down all that, Vindhya. I'll forget. You learn from upgrades. OS upgrade will be paid if you want. And features. Upgrades will have features, right? Am I right, Kiran? Features will have upgrade new options. Okay. Then you can have voice recognition as a unlock voice recognition for 5,000 rupees. Imagine. Let's not give voice recognition for everyone, guys. You understood, guys? Let's have face ID. Through your face, OS will unlock. Have that as 10,000 rupees. Earn from that. Understood now? That is MindMelt. Dude, each person. And one more thing you can do, guys, is you can do one more thing is I keep forgetting, dude. What is that? And this is your browser, right? You can have 3D mode enabled in browser like VR. So you can even have VR apps. Kiran the Bond, VR apps. VR App Store. Yeah, tell me, dude. Games you can sell. Kiran, you sell 10-15 games through Game Guru in your OS, bro. Exclusive games, exclusive. Dude, where is he? Yeah. Dialogue, no. Okay, I'll finish. Remember that dialogue, Kiran. I'll ask you at last. Dude, next is you can even create virtual robot Era from AU and have her as an assistant for everyone. Personal assistant. Like, you remember Dennis? Remember Dennis? You can have her as a personal assistant. Dennis, who doesn't remember? Tell me. Who doesn't remember Dennis? Nextjaws made Dennis. Please write down, guys. This is Dennis. This is Kiran the Bond's assistant. You can have this. She'll do all your jobs. You are asking girl will employ. No, employ robot only now. Okay. Dude, not Nextjaws. You will create your own. This is something I'm showing from Nextjaws. That's all. Exactly. You're going to create for your OS. She will be on the right side down. May she will guide people. Chatbot. This is virtual human, dude. Virtual human. You understood now? Okay, now Kiran, you understood the how much you can earn. I don't want to reveal too many things, but how dialogue you say now last May.
Okay, not the land. One more thing I have, okay. It's not about, okay, my team is made is actually not about money and all, okay. Actually, earlier I have a team that people use that people should invite me means I don't like to go over people and give me a job that I don't like, okay.
Correct.
Hello.
Correct. I understand. Tell me.
In animation industry, the Navin Verma has had to do it 2 times, okay. Hello.
I'm hearing here. Go on, Kiran.
Okay, like they have learned from this words, I want to Google up and CEO should invite me. That's it.
Sundar Pichai.
That's it. I don't, I will not tie up with them also. Okay. But I want to see that places, not they should invite me. That's it. That's it, sir.
Okay. Kiran, I appreciate your what do you call your passion to learn and your passion to become famous with MindMelt. Okay. Only one thing I'll say, Kiran. Okay, I have not seen such a passionate student like you. But one thing. Oh my God. Okay.
Because like he's the one person to
Dude, you can approach him again and say you have created Jarvis OS. But listen, there'll be a lot of risk. Write down here, everybody. What is the risk? Kiran, tell me what is the risk? MindMelt me, what is the risk? Tell me. Wait, I tell you the risk. Crack the OS. Risk I'll tell you. Somebody can copy and crack your OS. Wait, Kiran, listen. First risk. Second risk is what? People will get jealous. Remember Steve Jobs when he presented Mac? What is that? When he presented Apple Mac prototype, he was shunned by the crowd. Same thing will happen to everyone, even me. But avoid that. Ignore that. Ignore the same. Okay, listen to your heart. You will succeed. Because if you don't do that, I was stuck at 0 students one day. Now you know where I am, right? Yeah. So now, guys, you understood. Anchal had any doubt? She can talk now. Anchal, you're there? Tell me, what did you understand? MindMelt, Anchal. Okay. Anchal, where are you? Okay, Anchal, good. Yes, I have an OS because without having an OS, I cannot teach. And that OS you can find out in Google, in YouTube. Go to YouTube and type MindMelt. Anchal, type MindMelt 1.0 course. You will see my OS here. This is my OS. Anchal, you able to see this? See this video. See this video. Anchal, of this. Don't miss it. This is OS. Wait, hold on. Anchal, see my OS. Please, everyone, see the OS here. This is a normal OS, but now my students can create Jarvis also. Correct? This is the OS. You can create your own. You can name it Kiran Paint, India app. Understood, guys? This is a mixture of Windows and Mac. Okay. Yeah, Kiran, tell me, Kiran.
music.
Music, sound stripe, sound stripe,
No, you are giving
sound stripe.
this one video.
Yeah, no, bro, I adjust that, but we have even tools for that. But sound stripe, you write down.
I want video.
Okay, Filmstro. I'll tell you that, no problem. Filmstro. It's called Filmstro. Yeah, adaptive music. You're talking about adaptive music, write down. It's Filmstro, guys. Automatically it will do. Yeah, automatically customize. You can do it. Filmstro me. Write down if you want. Okay. Dude, don't worry, Kiran. Every tool we have in the world, I know what all is there. Don't worry. Filmstro is adaptive music generator. If you put a video, it will automatically give music. Right? Super. Okay, when Jarvis is there, this is nothing. Don't worry. Let's move on. So, MindMeld officially the demo is coming today. Next is AU demo. We'll go to that. So, alternate universe. Okay, Ansel, you're there, I think. Okay, good. So, what is alternate universe? Anyone? Alternate universe. Okay, MindMeld is done. I'll go to alternate universe. Hold on. Kiran, you're there? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what is alternate universe, guys. Alternate universe virtual mall creation and all we can do very fast. Okay. So it doesn't need time like MindMeld. So everything is very quick. Okay. Hold on for a second. There is some. Hold on. There is one call coming in. Wait. Hold on, guys. Okay. Done. Kiran, you're there? Okay. Good. So what is? GSA, I'm running the software. Correct. What happened? You got inquiry? Yeah? You got 10 emails. Good. Kiran, the one. Okay, good. Okay, guys, just see here. Don't miss this. Okay. Don't miss this. Ready? So we will look at how even Mozilla Firefox. Heard of Mozilla? Mozilla Firefox also have started hubs. Write down. Hubs. So this is like AltSpace. You know AltSpace? Like that, even Mozilla Firefox has started hubs in alternate universe. Like for example, I'll be introducing you to Mozilla Firefox. Then I'll be introducing you to Titanic also in VR. Titanic also. 1 minute. Hold on, yeah. Around Dubai. Let's talk. Dude, you understand this? Kiran went off. I think something went. Kiran. 1 minute, Kiran. You're able to see this? Something went off for him. He's able to... Kiran. Dude, you can create your own Titanic. Are you believing me? Where are you now? Anchal is there? Super, Kiran. You can create own Titanic through alternate universe. Okay. This, you can create whatever you want. Alternate universe is not a normal thing. Okay. So you'll be able to create 3D games, 3D worlds. Correct, Kiran? Okay. 3D worlds, everything, and Titanic also can be created. Understood? And you can even create even Jane Austen. If you look at Jane Austen, there is one guy novel called Pride and Prejudice. Okay, it's called what? Pride and Prejudice. Okay, you would have seen it, read it in school and all. It's called Pride and Prejudice. This world also is created with alternate universe. This world, Pride and Prejudice. Understanding? So you can create and sell. See, these guys are selling clothes in alternate universe. No, Kiran, you're seeing clothes, furnishing. So you can sell items. After you create the worlds, you can sell items. See here how items they're selling. Kiran. Dude, first thing is you can sell items, bro. Next thing is you can sell the space, virtual rent. Understanding? Then you can sell event RJ or something. Sell fairs. Then sell fair. You know what is fair? Job fair. 3D. In Dubai, middle of island, you can have virtual mall and do job fair. Understanding, Kiran, the bond? Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is not nobody in the world. No one is teaching this course in the world. This is creating virtual 3D cities also. Virtual 3D malls. Virtual 3D. Virtual 3D college. Kiran. See here, Kiran. Virtual 3D college. Correct. Virtual 3D. See like this. Shopping mall. See here, Kiran. See, Kiran. Virtual city. I told no. You can create all this. And Kiran, you can even sell it in. You can create now Game Guru ka. Even this one. Items. Model. And sell it in Game Guru store. Game Guru store. Okay, you can create movie star models. iClone models. He got mad at Avalli, I think. He not even started class here. Kiran, don't wait. Class is not started. This demo, bro. Okay, wait here. So you will see how you will navigate in the first day. Then you will model. See model. Second one. Third is for learning, training, for promotional, how you to use it. Then you will look at virtual meeting, bro. What is virtual meeting? Like for example, guys, you have seen VTime. I'll show you VTime. Virtual meeting in middle of Antarctica you can have. You can create the world itself. Like this. Everybody see what is a virtual meeting. Dude, now you can create a virtual meeting with birds flying and sitting in Eiffel Tower, bro. Eiffel Tower. In the bond. Beach you want to do virtual meeting. Dude, VTime also started with that. See how much they're earning. Dude, what is that? They're sitting in mountain, no? Mountain. There's a place. So I want to sing a song now. There is a place called Alternate Universe. Dude, you can go there and enjoy life, okay? Dude, this is Kiran the Bond ka virtual world. No, I can't watch because it's copyrighted. No, I can't watch video. Understood? Dude, you can create Kiran the Bond like this. You can choose the environment. Kiran, choose all the worlds. Oh, you can start your own shows. That's another idea she gave. No, I didn't have that. Start your own TV show. Charge people per episode. Good idea she gave here. India giving all ideas only. Okay, understood? Wait, bro. Next is, bro. Dude, you can create PS4 games and sell it in the market. Can you believe this, Kiran? You can read what is on the screen. Kiran, read what is on the screen. Now it will come see. Hold on, let it load. Age restricted. Wait, yeah. Stupid thing, age restricted. Wait. Dude, see, read it. Read what is on the screen. Read this. My mouse cursor is pointing, no? You can create worlds like this, Kiran, with alternate universe, Kiran. So, Game Guru multiplied 100 times. That is alternate universe. Tell me, yaar. What is he saying? Dude, see here, bro. You can buy land for 1 year. Land. City land. See, you can wait, Kiran. You can start off with Kiran. You can start off with even hut. Okay. Hut will cost you 0.01 cent. That's all. But if you want entire city, it may cost you somewhere around maybe $40 to $40 one time. Somebody else off that. Yeah. Tell me, Kiran. Tell me.
To create all these products, how much money required? Means I have to plan for 5 days. I will go for a
Okay, both mind melt. Mind melt is different, bro. That is OS. I told him 600 rupees. That's all. 600 rupees you need. That's all. I told him that day only. He's asking something. 600 rupees or 300 rupees, bro. Yes. See 300, bro. See here, bro. 300 is for OS, bro. Another 300 for some customized code. Okay. Rupees, yeah. But voice functionality, if you want, that is free. I told you. Yeah. Wait, girlfriend and all to create they may charge you, but cracked is available. Okay. Understood. Alternate universe are typical land. See, alternate universe you can have an entire city. City only I said is somewhere around 1,000. Models I didn't say. Models you can have. You can buy whatever models. You can buy Lamborghini also and put it there. So it depends. 10,000 you keep. If you keep 10,000, 5,000, entire city you are the Raja. But models you don't want it, then waste. I see. Empty city, what you will do? Skyscraper. Models I didn't say. So write down. See, minimum, Kiran, you need 10 models, Kiran. 10 models. That's all, Kiran. One is Lamborghini. That's $2, $3. Like Game Guru, you've seen, like that will be. Okay, understood, guys? Okay, OS only super comedy. 600 rupees Jarvis OS. Everybody will go mad. All mad guys. In 600 rupees Jarvis OS, imagine Windows only is costing how much here? How much is Windows costing? How much here? What do you want? Windows OS. Wait. 1,000 rupees Windows only, dude. Tell me, 5,000 is. Tell me. Yeah, correct. You are right. This is your own OS. Correct. I don't know, yeah. 120 crores. Correct. Rest all pirated OS. Correct, bro. Oh my God. Kiran, you should make sure they can crack your OS, but still you don't give updates and all now only, Kiran, because everything they'll crack. Hackers will crack, no. Kiran. Yeah, he can, yeah. Okay. Okay, Kiran, let's move on. Okay. Dude, the problem is hackers will do offline, yeah. Somehow we have to manage, we'll do that, okay. VMB, VMB is online, but VMB you can log in without offline. Correct? Understood, Kiran the bond? We'll do something, we'll figure out, okay. Okay, second is age of ultimate. Write down. First is nevermore. Nevermore means after this you will be nevermore is part 1. AU. Next is Kiran, age of ultimatum. Here only you will create the universe. Here you will create the universe. You know Pandora, you know Pandora. This is entire virtual universe. Games of Pandora means Avatar, yeah, not Pandora. Yeah. Dude, like this, your kingdom should be like this, Kiran. So once you, yeah, dude, if you create this, no, I can show anybody. Then one point will go like down. This will go up because Avatar, everybody will come to create. No, if I show Kiran created, created The virtual universe. Imagine everybody will go mad. But Avatar is copyrighted. You create one more thing, okay? Something like. What is this waterfall and all that? Dude, you have played Far Cry, yeah? Far Cry, you have played Far Cry. Daily, yeah. Like that you will create, yeah. Like that your virtual world will be there. Super, bro. Super. Dude, Far Cry, you have played, no, bro. Then you can create amazing stuff like that. Only it will be your virtual world, land. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, Kiran. Kiran, super it is, no? Far Cry? Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Okay, let's move on, Kiran. Let's move. Dude, so what happened? I'll tell you. Second Life. Everybody knows Second Life, right? Kiran, there is something called Second Life, okay? Not First Life, Second Life. You can get married in virtual reality. Can you believe this? Kiran not mad, I think. Only demo, yaar. Demo. Earn money, Kiran, earn money. Start a business in virtual world. Dude, I'm talking about not Second Life here. I'm talking about creating Second Life again. She didn't get it. Dude, you understand what I'm doing? This is Second Life.
You're recreating Second Life.
Exactly. He's right. Dude, entertainment, games you can have social, real estate, education, business. After we recreate, Kiran, if you want to be partner, we can be partner. Other partner, if you are, WeWork, you know, Kiran, WeWork, you know, co-working. You can do virtual WeWork, co-working, virtual space and rent everyone. No need of actual space. Kiran, you're understanding what I'm doing. Kiran, I told that day, no? Yeah, I told, no. Guys, what this does is, this is, you can buy land. I want you to create something like this. See, builder is there. You can build avatar customization, server, chat window. Property is, Kiran, listen. You can sell your property. You are the owner, no? So others can buy property from you. Now today, Kiran is real estate guy for entire Bangalore. So you can create property, sell the property, bro. Understanding? Virtual property, bro. And tell me, yaar. Dude, what I'm saying, Kiran the bond. No need of ad. Automatically they'll come. It's a mall, yaar. Mall. Online. Okay, I understand. Kiran will do SEO for that. Virtual mall or mall is the type. Mantri mall should not come. Your mall should come. Mall. Dude, this is 3D SEO. 3D SEO, bro. Not SEO, bro. 3D SEO. I think you'll go mad now after this. Everybody thinking that. Oh, sorry, I should not say anything. Tell me, bro. Tell me. Yeah, see, Google ad, if you need per click, it'll be. Don't go to Google ad, very expensive. Facebook ad is good. Facebook ad, per day you spend 300, that's all. You will reach at least 5,000 to 10,000 people. 300 you pay. 1,500, No, for this and all, online. Depends, Bangalore or what. Full India means it'll be faster. Full India faster, 300. Good. Yeah, you can. Dude, can you read this blog, Kiran? Please read this blog. Why should you buy virtual land for real money? Read later, okay? Let's type Somnium Space. You'll get. Dude, see this, yeah, see this. Virtual advertising. Billboard.
So we can do all these things.
You will create your own Somnium Space, yeah. I can't say again, dude.
That's the first step.
Upset.
Yeah, too much, huh?
We can only take this much. You're telling so many stuff.
Last, okay. Don't want too much, okay. Virtual vacation, we'll end with that, okay? Too much otherwise. Virtual vacation. Imagine there is something called CAPTCHA. Who is doing this? So Goa virtual vacation, like that it will be CAPTCHA. Guys, see this. So they are having their own virtual vacation. Okay. So people will go there in horses or this one. See the island here. Like this also I am giving ideas for Kiran. Like virtual vacation also you can create. Need not be only malls, no Kiran. Understand? So you charge them for entry pass. Like Wonderla.
There are these private beaches.
Wow.
We can make it like private beaches.
You understood, huh?
Even in foreign
Anything you can decide where we are. What? Yeah. Virtual beaches. My God, she went mad. I also go mad now. Okay.
People can buy 700 rupees as 3 years.
Yeah.
They can आराम से enjoy the car.
Yeah, they can go to virtual vacation and enjoy, right? Okay, Kiran. Okay. In phone you can put and enjoy. Correct. In phone. Okay. In phone. Okay. Good. Yeah. Now Anchal, where is Anchal? Where is Anchal gone? How was it? Jeevan, how are you now? How are you feeling? She also got, but now she's good. Anchal, what did you message? Did you message something, Anchal? Ayyo. Understood, she messaged. Wait, Kiran, hold on, Kiran. I'll ask Anchal honest feedback. Anchal, what do you think about this? I just gave you 0.1% of AAU. What do you feel about AAU, Anchal?
This is huge. I could all and it is something that most people do.
Correct. So, tell me.
I think there is even more movies like Manikarnika, they are using VFX, all those effects are being used.
Correct.
So this is something which has a lot of value.
Exactly. Anchal, you have heard of something called as what is that called here? What is it called? VR Office. What is that? V Spatial, Anchal? V Spatial. I showed you. Remember? I showed you this. Kiran, you there? Kiran, this I showed. No, virtual office. You know, I have worked in the virtual office with that device. I understood how it is. There are thousands of screens in your front of your system. 128 GB RAM in every system. You'll feel like you're in Himalayas. Read this. What's the name? Read.
Other Indian companies, how do you
Right now, nobody is doing this in India. You are the one who is going to create the revolution with this.
Hello.
360-degree will be good, yeah. Dude, please read it. Vinda, read this. Keep the. Can you believe this? And tell me, Kiran. Kiran.
So we can make
Yeah, Vindya. Yeah, Kiran. You create virtual office, virtual mall, virtual city. You can even name it virtual Bangalore. I don't know. You can use Bangalore name, but put some other name. Virtual bond. What? I don't know what name. Virtuosia. Something give. Last minute. 1 minute. Planet name. Keep Mars. Whatever. Yeah, keep something, bro. Okay. So that's it. Demo is done. Kiran, you can contact me. Answer any doubts. And Kiran, last doubt you have because everybody seems to be leaving this. Any doubts, Anchal and Kiran? Final.
Yes.
No? Yeah, Kiran, I have shown you only the Anchal, I have shown you only the teaser, motion poster. The real alternate universe will be revealed only on Monday. Correct? Motion poster only with this letter. So many things are there, I think. Okay. Doom 3 came. Oh my god. She thought alternate universe is 1.0. No, dude, it's not 1.0. 100.0. Okay. Cool, yeah. Kiran, we'll end it here. Anchal, any last words? Any last thoughts? She's there? Should have gone. Yeah. Okay, she's gone. Yeah, Anchal is there. She's there. Anchal, any last thoughts? Any last thoughts? We'll create virtual office for Anchal and give her. Sorry. Anchal, any last thoughts? Any last thoughts? Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Kiran. Yeah, Kiran. Virtual officer, so we kept. Next, Anchal is WeWork founder with virtual WeWork. Okay. Thank you, Vinod. Vinod is here. Okay, he just saw the. How did you feel, bro? Amazing, Vinod. Bartir ಆಮೇಲೆ for the this one batches. Yeah, then only you see it's a wide ocean, no, Vinod. Otherwise, it will be like there, correct. Vinod, then see you. Thank you, Vinod. I'll tell you. Approval ಇದೆ. Join the community. Kiran, the community. Adu ಮಾಡಿ community go online. 1 lakh people will get the content. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, bye. Anchal, you know there is a thank you, bye, Vinod. Dude, Anchal, you know there is a community here, right, Anchal? Yeah, you can ask all your questions. Kiran, you can ask here in 1.0 doubts. You can ask holographic potion doubt, mind melt doubts. Okay. You have, where is alternate universe here? AU, can you see that? Alternate universe doubts, correct, guys? You can ask virtual mall creation. Mind melt, where is it? Mind melt doubts, home automation, all that is there, okay? You have to fill it, okay? Please fill it with doubts, okay? Everything you can do. Enjoy life, Kiran. Not getting sleep, huh? Okay. Okay, yeah, it is recording. No, that's why. Kiran, don't worry about sleep. You will drive your competitors to not sleep. Kiran, the one dialogue. Okay, dude. Okay, then, Anchal, I hope you enjoyed this amazing session, Anchal. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye, Kiran. See you on Monday. Okay, the whole world will see this. So enjoy life. Anchal is famous. Famous should become. Thank you. Yeah, bye, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, though. I had to stop the recording. Hold on. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Hold on, I had to stop the recording. Okay, guys, for those who missed this, right, who missed part 3, I'm doing it separately because I forgot to include that. In part 3, you'll be able to create a virtual robot like Era itself, right? You've heard of Era robot, I believe, right? If you go here and if you go to your YouTube and you type in something like, say Era robot first look AI, you can create even robots like that. I'll teach you how to use this, create Era robots with facial mocap and other technology similar to this, right? You see Era robot talking to me there. You'll be able to create Era like robot itself. Now this is a trailer behind Era robot creation. Anyways, you'll be able to create Era robot and automate it. Then you'll be able to use that automation for learning, education, and to building a corporate brand ambassador for you. The third is the power of visualization. You'll be able to create new fantasy worlds, new age fantasy worlds, those are the uncovered worlds hidden, right? and you'll be able to create even virtual cities. If I go over here and type in virtual 3D cities, correct? Wait, hold on for a second. I'll just tell you how to create that. Here you'll be able to create virtual cities like this. Like it has to load a little bit. Yeah, something like this. Virtual cities, virtual worlds, virtual fantasy worlds. Yeah, it has to load a little bit. It keeps on taking time. But yeah, something like this you can create. Or virtual even fantasy worlds. Also, if I type in that, you'll be able to create that virtual worlds and dance in New York or something like that. Will be able to do that also. So that was about part three of Mind Meld. If you have missed it, this is part three. Not Mind Meld, alternate universe. If you have not got that, this is how it is, right? A paradise of new life, I call it, where you can create virtual robots like Era, advanced facial mocap technologies that you can position to change the world with your ideas. Thank you so much. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off.